What if I told you there's one secret hiding in plain sight that can make you fly up your stairs like you're decades younger? Imagine this. You're at the bottom of the staircase, and instead of that feeling of dread, you feel nothing but power. You take the first step, then the next, with ease and confidence. And the best part, this secret takes just 3 minutes a day. No equipment, no gym, and it works, even if it's been years since you last exercised. In this video, I'm going to reveal that exact exercise and show you why everyone over 60 needs to start doing it today. Alright, back to conquering those stairs. Now you might be thinking, if I want to climb stairs better, shouldn't I just climb more stairs? It seems logical, right? But here's the truth. That's like trying to drive a car with a flat tire by just pressing the gas pedal harder. You'll get there, but it will be a struggle, and you're damaging the car. You see, stair climbing is what we physical therapists call an advanced movement. It's a power move that demands strength from 3 major muscle groups: your quadriceps, your glutes, and those critical side hip muscles that keep you stable. But after 50, a natural process called sarcopenia, that's age-related muscle loss, starts to weaken these muscles. And when even one link in that chain is weak, the whole movement becomes a battle. But what if you could strengthen every single link? What if you could tune up your entire body's engine? That's exactly what we do with the exercise I'm about to show you. And the beautiful part is, you can train all those muscles with just one single move. Here's how you do it. Stand at the bottom of your stairs. Please, use the railing for balance if you need it. Safety first. Step up with your right leg onto the first step. Now, instead of bringing your left foot to the same step, reach up and tap the third step with your left foot. Then return both feet back down to the floor. That's 1 repetition. The pattern is step up with the right, tap high with the left, and then come back down. You'll want to do this for 8 to 12 repetitions on one side, then switch legs. Aim for 2 to 3 sets, 2 to 3 times per week. This powerful move is called the step up and reach, and I absolutely love it because it targets everything all at once. The step up part powerfully engages your glutes and quads, the main engines that drive you upward. And the high reach tap, that's the secret sauce. It fires up your side glutes and balance muscles, the very muscles that prevent falls and make every step you take steady and confident. Do this consistently, and you will notice a change. Stairs will start to feel less like a mountain and more like a gentle hill. I've seen this with my own patients over 50. Many of them feel a dramatic difference in just 6 to 8 weeks. Now, if you need to make it easier, just tap the second step instead of the third, or find a smaller step to practice on. To make it harder, try letting go of the railing for a few reps, or hold a light weight, say 5 to 10 pounds, for an extra challenge. Now, if you're ready for more and if you want a complete plan to not only master your stairs, but to strengthen your entire body after 50, then you need to download my free guide. It's called 10 Essential Exercises to Build Incredible Strength After 50. This guide is your master key to rebuilding muscle, boosting your mobility, and living a strong, independent life for decades to come. No gym required, no confusion. You can get started right now by clicking the link in the description below, or you can continue your journey by watching this video next, where I break down all the moves. I'll see you over there.